The camera turns on, and Anabia, a cheerful young Python coder, adjusts her webcam with a smile. Today, she's meeting a group of kids who have never coded before. Ready to see something cool? She asks. On their side of the screen, 4 curious kids lean in. Anabia runs her Python automation script. Folders sort themselves, icons slide into place, and little animations pop up on her screen. The kids gasp, "Is this magic?" Anabia laughs, "Not magic, Python." She shares a tiny script. Print "Hello World." The kids type it in, press enter, and cheer when the words appear. "Can it say my name?" one girl asks. "Of course," Anabia says. They change the code and the computer replies, "Hello, Maya." The room erupts with excitement. Soon, each kid is typing simple commands, watching the computer respond instantly. Anabia beams at them through the webcam. Coding is just giving instructions, and with Python, you can build anything. The kids explode with ideas. Games, robots, animations. Anabia smiles proudly. One small script, one webcam, and the spark has begun.